Welcome to the Clean Biz Network podcast, the only place where cleaning business owners and aspiring cleaning business owners come for education, motivation, and the resources that you need to take your life to the next level. Now for your host, Mr. AJ Simmons.
Welcome back to the Clean Biz Network podcast. This is Calvin from the Clean Biz Network. I am live and direct right now. I was able to track down one of our Clean Biz Network Mastermind Group members. Mr. Sean Richards is live on the line. Sean Richards, how are you today, brother?
Oh, I am awesome. Just having a wonderful day, enjoying the journey. I want to say hello to everybody that's listening. Big shout out to Calvin, big shout out to AJ Simmons and everybody in the Clean Biz Network.
Yeah, man. Thank you for the time, man. And I actually spoke to AJ earlier, and I told him that I was able to track you down and that we were going to have a discussion just to try to encourage those that are in the business, those that are thinking about getting into business. Sean, if you could just tell me right now, how is business for you right now?
Well, business for us is awesome. We are actually, I would say, increased our business and our provisions by full 50%, right? We just ramped up operations. Everybody in the sector right now need cleaning and disinfecting services. So that part of the business has just skyrocketed, and we are pushing forward into serving clients and providing disinfecting and sanitizing services. We're just seeing a whole lot of traction in the industry at this point.
So you specialize in the healthcare field, is that right?
Yes, 99% of our clients are healthcare providers, from hospital systems to the smaller urgent cares and outpatient settings. We provide majority of our services to the healthcare industry.
We all know that the commercial cleaning industry is one of the recession-proof industries, but it seems like to me that you kind of got a double, recession-proof business here, because not only are you in the commercial cleaning space, but you're also specializing in the healthcare space. And we all know that healthcare is one of those recession-proof industries as well.
Yeah, we positioned ourselves uniquely. And truth be told, we have not lost one client since, the COVID pandemic has, hit the market and hit the world, as per se. All our clients are still open for business. As a matter of fact, they're telling us unless they get serviced by us and cleaned and disinfected, they cannot remain operational. So we are in a unique position, and as a cleaning business owner that specializes in the healthcare industry, it's just been a very fruitful set of events for us.
That is so amazing, man. That is so amazing. And I must say this as well. Looking back at your story, and maybe you want to share a little bit, like a brief summary, but, I know that just 2 years ago, you were working a job. It was a fairly good job, but you made a decision to leave that job and start this journey to building your own business. Now that you look back at what's going on right now, does it really let you know that you made the right decision at the right time?
Well, definitely. So I worked a job with an industrial supply company for about 10 years. Very stable company that pays really good money. But I always knew I wanted to be in a position to grow wealth and build a business. So looking back at that and making that decision wasn't an easy decision to make, but it was a necessary decision for where I wanted to go as a human being and develop. And we made that leap of faith. We brought on good people. We linked up with CBN, AJ Simmons, of course, and he helped us make that transition. I have to say I would have done it, and I would do it if I had to do it again. And this is one of the best decisions I've made in my life, I would say, as far as business and career. We are able to grow a business from zero to, $185,000 in the first year of operation. And we're just going to surpass that in the first quarter. It looks like we're going to be up, exceedingly. We're going to be exceeding that projection for do. We went with our gut feeling, and it panned out. Nobody expected, certainly, this pandemic to hit the world, but it just goes to show that when it's the right time for you to make that move, and you do follow your gut instinct, and you make that move, it all works out for the best, and that's where we are at this point, man.
I truly believe it, Sean. I truly believe it. And, I watch your posts in the group all the time, and I always recommend people on the podcast. I say, man, you guys, if you really want to, like, if you have a business that's already running, and you don't need, the starter kit, you don't need the leads, at least join the Mastermind Group. Like, there's so much that you could benefit from just by having that access to other, business owners, get that encouragement. And, I see you active in the group so much. And I saw a post that you did, I think last week, where you said that you paid out about $11,000 in payroll, and that was just for 1 week.
Yeah, that was one of our biggest payrolls ever since we started business. This actually was a 14-day period, 2-week period, but we paid out close to $12,000 last pay period in wages, when most companies are laying people off and a lot of people are filing for unemployment. We are able to, provide gainful employment to our staff and bring people on. And I think that's just awesome. It made me feel really good to be able to pay our employees and keep them happy. And as a matter of fact, since the pandemic struck, and we have not had one call out from our regular staff, people have been very committed because I think they understand what we do as a business, but they're also feeling really good about being paid while most people are not. And that's a wonderful feeling, and I thank the universe for that.
Absolutely. And I just want to salute you and your staff, because you all are first responders. You all are those people that are helping keep our healthcare facilities clean. You guys are helping those people that are on the front lines as well. You're helping them feel, a little bit more at ease, because they know that the facilities that they're working in, their working environment, are clean. And we thank you for that. We thank you and your team for that.
You're welcome, and I appreciate that as well. The way we look at it as we are first responders, we're actually playing with people's lives here. We're actually helping people to remain safe, and we look at it, it's so serious to us. We take it so seriously that if we take shortcuts and not execute at a high level, we could cost somebody their lives. You know what I mean? So we provide this level of care, and we take it seriously, and it's a passion-driven business, and we know we are very vital and a very vital and essential part of the the infection prevention task force, man.
That's awesome, man. Man, I salute you guys. So is it possible for somebody right now that's listening to this podcast, they have been going back and forth with the idea of starting, and then this pandemic happens and they think to themselves, I can't possibly get started now. What would you say to them? I wanted to talk a little bit about Calculated Clean. What is Calculated Clean, you may be asking? Calculated Clean is a mobile app designed by the Clean Biz Network. Have you ever been out talking to a potential customer, and the first thing that pops to your mind as they're showing you around the facility is, how in the world am I going to figure out how much to charge for this account? Because let's face it, we don't want to underbid, and we definitely don't want to overbid and give an outrageous price and miss a chance on getting the account. So how do we solve this problem? Simple. Calculated Clean. This is the mobile app designed by the Clean Biz Network. This app will give you access to the pricing calculators, which will help you create an accurate bid for your potential client. Once you have the correct bid price, then you'll be able to access the proposal tab within the app, which will generate a proposal that you can then send to your potential client right away. The Calculated Clean application has 3 bidding calculators within it. One is for commercial, The second is for residential, and the third is for special jobs. The commercial calculator is for commercial buildings. The residential calculator is for homes that are occupied. There are two methods available in the residential calculator. Method 1 uses the number of rooms. Method 2 uses the square footage. The special bid calculator is for one-time jobs. The Calculated Clean application is now available on all mobile devices. Start your free trial today. Is it possible for somebody right now that's listening to this podcast, they have been going back and forth with the idea of starting, and then this pandemic happens and they think to themselves, I can't possibly get started now. What would you say to them? Is there still an opportunity to get out and create a business and start serving your local community with these services that are highly needed right now?
Most definitely. I would even go as far as to say this is probably the best time to start a business, a cleaning business, providing that kind of services to your community, in your state, in your city, because most people have neglected the cleaning industry for these cool type businesses. And at this point, it's just been proven and compacted that the cleaning industry is a very vital and important industry, just as any other business. So if you are thinking about starting up operations or becoming a business owner in this industry, now more than ever is the best time to do so. I don't think if you miss this window, you're not gonna probably see this in a long time again. But I would have to say this will be residual for a while, because now everybody understands the importance of cleaning and having their facilities disinfected and sanitized, and it's not going to be something you do when you have money. This will be budgeted at a high level. So get into the business. Don't stay on the sidelines. Jump, move forward. You have a team of people around you that will help you to get from point A to point B. That's what I did.
I'm happy you brought that up, because I have been really telling people that maybe right now, while some areas and some states and some cities, they are on lockdown right now, maybe you can't get out right now and start, cleaning. However, if you do get things in order, right, when things start to open back up, this will be a necessity from now on. Businesses will be required, like you just said, they will be required to get regularly scheduled, disinfectant cleanings. The world will be different from here on out. People will see the cleaning industry different from here on out. It will be a requirement, just like you said. And so I have personally been telling people, if you've been thinking about it, but you've been on the fence, maybe you can't get out right now, but if you start preparing right now, when your local city or state opens back up, you will be able to capitalize.
Yeah, most definitely. I had in the past marketed this service to a lot of different businesses, and they just, didn't take us very seriously with regards to what's critical touch points and CDC regulation. Now some of those same businesses are running after us and calling us, asking, can we come in and execute? And we have to be honest with some of them and tell them we don't have the capacity to service you at this point. So what you just said, the world will never be the same. And as far as the cleaning industry goes, we are A1 providers, and we're gonna be in a position to really, really service other industries as a whole. It will be a necessity and a requirement. I even think a lot of other employees won't even come to work in a facility unless they know they have a serious cleaning regimen. That's
powerful, man. That is so powerful. I have one more question for you. Has there been any negative things? Has COVID-19 affected your business in any negative way?
Well, I have to say the only negative or downside is the potential risk of, being infected yourself. So what that has allowed us to do is research a lot and get ourselves, the best equipment for our employees. But I wouldn't even say that's negative necessarily. It's just a heightened sense of awareness for our employees. We have finding qualified people now, and we'll just continue serving and reaching out to agencies to send us good people. But I don't even think you can say it's an overly negative situation. We've been positive. COVID-19, despite the loss of lives, our heart go out to families and other people's loved ones. As from a business standpoint, it's a win-win, and it has been.
Man, that's so awesome. And I also saw that you said that your wife and you had another family member, they got up and they came out to help you on one of your accounts. And I think that that's so powerful as well because, like you said earlier, we have so many people that have been, forced out of work because of this. And if you have been having a desire, if somebody's out there listening and they've been thinking about starting a commercial cleaning business and they just haven't acted yet, now would be a great time because not only do you get to serve your community, serve your city, not only do you get to fulfill your dreams, but you can also be in a position to help family members out making some money during this difficult time.
Most definitely. There are people at home, there are people needing some financial assistance, and if you have the work, they'll definitely be looking for you for some sort of employment, and you could be in a position to hire people and put people to work. That's one of the best feelings in the world right now, being able to provide sustainable employment for your family members, colleagues, friends, associates.
Man, that's so awesome. So, man, Sean, I know you on the road right now. I know you probably getting ready to get some more business done, but we definitely appreciate you for calling in and just being the person you are, man. Always encouraging, always motivating. And if you want to connect with Sean Richards, I'm telling you guys, he is always inside the Clean Biz Network Mastermind Group. So he's available. Sean, if you have anything else to say, you can go ahead and say it now. But man, we just thank you so much, man.
I just want to say thank you for you guys for reaching out, for allowing me to give my story and put my story out there and share vital information with the listeners. Clean Biz Network has been a vital resource for me and my business. I say iron sharpens iron. If you want the juice, if you want the group of motivated, successful people, get into the Clean Biz Network and let's do it. You have everything at your fingertips and you cannot lose. Thank you. Shout out to everybody in the Clean Biz Network and all potential business owners out there. Let's go and make a difference.
Yes, sir. This is Calvin with the Clean Biz Network on behalf of AJ Simmons and the entire Clean Biz Network. This has been another episode. Sean Richards, man, I salute you. I thank you. And we'll catch you next time, bro. Take care. Thank you so much, man.
All right, bye. Thank you.
You just finished listening to a live phone interview with myself and Clean Biz Network Mastermind Group member Sean Richards. We appreciate him for taking the time to phone in to encourage us and uplift us and just let us know that there is a big light at the end of this tunnel. Now, before we end this episode, I'll have to let you know that the Cleaning Business Starter Kit, this is the online digital course, it is now available for 50% off. Now, I don't know how long it's going to be available for 50% off. So I'm letting you guys know right now, if you are ready to get started, if you have been going back and forth about this thing, take advantage while this course is 50% off. In this course, you'll have all the documents you need to get started. You'll have all the resources, all the information, all the knowledge you need, step-by-step guides on how to get your business off the ground, how to get your first customers. You have all the information, all the documents inside of this course that you will need to sign on your first customer. Okay. All you have to do, if you want to take advantage of this special 50% discount offer on the course right now, log on to cleanbiznetwork.com. Once you get on the website, look at the top of the website. You're going to see a banner that's going to flash that says 50% off Cleaning Business Starter Kit course. Click that banner and you can purchase it at a discount today. Okay. Now I want you to have a great day. I want you to stay safe and I want you to tell somebody you love them today. Until next time, I'm Calvin with the Clean Biz Network. Take care.
Thank you for listening to the Clean Biz Network podcast. To start and or grow your cleaning company, visit cleanbiznetwork.com.